Hello guys, welcome to Solutions Hub. Press the subscribe button and bell icon to get more updates on free online courses and course answer. Also follow us on Telegram. Link is given into description. So the first course is build an Amazon affiliate e-commerce store from scratch. This course is complete free. Only one day left at this price, and the coupon code of this course is given into description. The next course is how to install a free SSL certificate using Let's Encrypt. Learn to secure website traffic using HTTPS by installing a free Let's Encrypt SSL certificate. The rating of this course is 4.4 and already 84,000 students enrolled for this course. This course is also free. Only one day left at this price, and the coupon code and course link is given in description. The next course is Perseus Writing Fit to Forbes Contribution and Copywriters. Forbes contributors Renee Williams and Matthew Roenick offer a comprehensive guide to Perseus copywriting. The rating of this course is 4.1 and already 26,000 students enrolled for this course. This course is complete free. Only one day left at this price, and at the end you get certificate of this course. The coupon code and course link is given in description. Next course is Web Development Masterclass Complete Certification Course. Learn to set up virtual cloud servers and develop database-driven websites using latest web technology. The rating of this course is 4.4 and already 3,24,000 students enrolled for this course. In this course, you learn the essentials of local and wide area networks, register a domain name with domain privacy, set up a basic network, forward domain, renew and administer a domain. This course is complete free. Only one day left at this price, and this course includes 20.5 hours on demand video, full lifetime access, and at the end you get certificate of that course. The next course is the mature interpreter prosper after retirement. After retirement, you can have a new life by establishing a small business based on your talents, experience, and internet. The rating of this course is 4.4 and already 4,450 students enrolled for this course. Only one day left at this price, and in this course you will be able to establish a small business with no risk, be able to use methods to analyze business, be able to prepare business plans. Guys, this course includes 4 hours on demand video, full lifetime access on mobile and TV, and at the end you get certificate of that course. The next course is learn to host multiple domains on one virtual servers. Set up and host multiple sites on one server using DigitalOcean. Set up virtual hosts and secure all domains with SSL. The rating of this course is 4.5 and already 87,000 students enrolled for this course. In this course, you will learn deploy and configure virtual servers, install Ubuntu on virtual server, set up basic cost-effective hosting servers for clients. This course is complete free. Only one day left at this price, and this course includes 1 hour on-demand video, full lifetime access on mobile and TV, and at the end you get certificate of that course. The next course is install Nginx, PHP, MySQL, SSL, and WordPress on Ubuntu. Learn to install and configure Nginx on Ubuntu 18.4, including MySQL, PHP, MyAdmin, WordPress, and SSL integration. The rating of this course is 4.6 and already 88,000 students enrolled for this course. In this course, you will learn understanding the key difference between Apache and Nginx. Attach a floating IP to digital ocean virtual server. This course is complete free, and at the end you get certified that course. The next course is Adobe Lightroom Masterclass Beginner to Expert. Learn to sort, filter, organize, and edit photos like a pro in this comprehensive guide to Adobe Lightroom. The rating of this course is 4.5 and already 2 lakh students enrolled for this course. In this course, you learn create image catalog, configure preference, and import images into Lightroom. Work with different file formats including RAW, TIFF, PSD, JPEG, and DNG. Customize the Lightroom interface using identity places. This course is also free. Only one day left at this price, and this course includes 8 hours on demand video, 1 download resource, full lifetime access on mobile TV, and at the end you get certificate that course. The coupon code of this course is UXL44184. The coupon code and course link is available in description. All the remaining courses are available in description. Coupon code and course link is available in description. Please enroll for that course as soon as possible, because maybe within 1 or 2 days these courses may expire. So enroll as early as possible. Thank you.